Nakarada UAE Abu Dhabi.
Let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, my name is Josh LiQWYD. For those of you who don't know me, I'm pretty much Ugandan, but apparently I live and work in the UAE. So guys, as you can see, I'm already suited up in my New Year's Eve costume. Yeah, it's pretty much a jacket and a sweater shirt inside. Yeah, anyway, guys, today is the 31st of December 2021, and ever since I came to the Emirates, I've never secured a day off, especially on New Year's Eve. I pretty much worked all the years I've been here. Yeah, I've been always on shift. But today, I managed to secure a day off. And another thing, I got an invitation from one of my friends. If you watched my day off vlog, I'll be linking it in the description box. Then you see that the manager of this gate was advertising for a boat cruise, which was gonna happen on New Year's Eve here in Abu Dhabi. So apparently I've gotten a pass and I'll be bringing you guys along. So what are you waiting for? Yeah, guess who I just bumped into?
Charles Pro, man. What up, guys?
You're living a good life, man.
Yeah, man. We're going to welcome the new year, and we're going for the boat cruise, right?
The boat cruise?
Yeah.
Of course, guys, you heard him right. We're headed for the boat cruise. Where is it at?
At Marina Bay.
At Marina Bay?
Yeah.
This is going to be our first time. Have you enjoyed a boat cruise before?
It is my first time, by the way.
It is your first time here in Abu Dhabi. We are actually at Marina Mall, as you can see. And apparently, what we're going to do next is we're going to Marina Bay. Yeah, it is just across the street, and we'll be headed for a boat cruise. We're going to cruise into the new year.
It looks like a little bit of oil.
Yeah, my shoes are white. Apparently, this is us. Wow. So who's gonna film me? I'm the one who's doing the filming.
Help you.
Kati bannange tutuuse ku event yaffe eno boat cruise ebadde etegekeddwa Eastgate restaurant. Eastgate restaurant ye restaurant emu kuzisinga wano mu Abu Dhabi. So apparently tulina chef agenda okubanga akwasaganya ebyemmere. Chef bambe so tubulira ku ki ekifa basically ku event eno, especially mu byemmere kiki tulina okuexpectinga.
Sebo mmere gye tulina emmere nnungi mpoomu.
Okay.
We have nice chicken. Tulina nyama ennungi, monde chapati ennungi, ya ne salads ennungi.
So nawulidde wagenda kubeerayo ne barbecue, kituufu?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so we are here at Marina Bay. Of course, it was the final destination. Apparently, we're just making the entrance at the boat. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah, I mean, I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait to show you the inside part of it. But as for now, this is just the outside part of it. Anyway, let's go. Twakulabako emabega ng'otugamba ku boat cruise ng'otwekasanga omukolo ogenda okubeera ogw'amaanyi. Kati ssaawa zino tukusazeeko naye sijja kulimba nze mbadde sisuubira kubanga kinene bwe kiti.
Nawe nakugamba Eastgate ne tetufa ku muwendo muwanvu, tufa ku quality.
Nkitegeere.
Era abo abasigaddeyo be bamanyi. Twagamba twagala muyingire omwaka 2020 n'ebibadde by'abakaluubiri. Bibajjako mu dakiika 5 ebbayingiza omwaka nga muli basanyufu.
Wallahi.
Ebyo byasomye dda kuyingira kwali munda nabagamba tetwagala Red Bull, tetwagala Carlsberg. Abaana abasubiddwa mwe mumanyi. Wabulamu abazimu ebale nnyo mwe mumanyi kye muliddwa.
Nsanyusa okulaba. Muganda wange badde in fact surprising bali sikusuubirawo wano. Coach, abantu bagambe YouTube channel and TikTok. By the way, Coach is a big TikToker, but apparently I didn't know his YouTube channel. Let's go to Gambe YouTube channel, Coach.
YouTube channel
Okay.
TikTok era nayo nkozesa linnya lirimu. Then Instagram. By the way, Instagram erinawo ng'eyakabiri.
Okay. Kyogamba yesinga TikTok. Ne ku TikTok olinako following.
TikTok si amanyi kale ne Instagram ogimanyi sinyangu kuzimba nakafuna emitwalo 3,300.
Yeah, by the way.
So nkula mpola so nze ndiko kinjigiriza ebyuma abantu
kola akanyama genzira banange. Eso.
Kola mpono waliwo night
Jim chioli. Eri wano Abu Dhabi.
Vintage, bagita vintage.
Wano Abu Dhabi.
Eri Abu Dhabi.
Side zao.
Ari Myland. Naye tugenda jijja also waliwo endala wano naye ngikolera mu part time naye ntwala yaba clients bange.
Okay.
Bagita top gym.
Top gym
Eri wano mu city wenyini.
Okay.
So nawo nyagalira kiba kikuba. Oba kisobola kukikola mukazi musajja.
Absolutely.
Blood wakabinyo no mwana.
Chakaiso. So guys, coach naye mumulabye wali representize. Ati bwina wagala okukola abagala okubeera fit.
Na wali wonna.
Nange ngenda.
Tambunya. Jamani.
Matopoja kuna batanga.
We tuli alelaga happy new year by the way. Na bamwitana lika Charles kugende ko blood wa era lekirera
Kale papa.
Jamani nyo.
Chakali nyo. Kila kwa twego kaso kwa setting up. Chikwate. Era kula bati ngafana wakira.
Era gusto
DJ wakabi mubaletedde. Yeah. Yo guys, as you can see, we're celebrating the end of 2021 in style, and also we had a birthday girl. Her name is T Diamond. Go check her out on YouTube. And as you can see as well, that is the DJ team giving her a massive birthday shout out. Yeah, making things happen here, entertaining everyone and all that. That is Daggy DJ and DJ XO. And hey, that is a big time promoter here in Abu Dhabi called Kevin. He's about to splash the entire champagne bottle on the BD girl. I mean, this was very exciting, guys. If you missed, make sure you do not miss out on the upcoming event. Of course, it will be advertised, but I think Valentine's Day also we're going to go back riding on a boat cruise. I mean, guys, this is awesome. Keep it low, guys, and also do not forget that this is just the beginning but not the end of everything. I mean, yo, happy birthday T Diamond, and I hope you have a prosperous new year. To everyone who attended and is apparently watching, you've made it all the way through this video, and wish you a very, very happy new year. I mean, guys, come on, let's go. Massive shout outs to Daggy DJ for the ones and tunes. I mean, this is a brother that I met for the very first time here on the boat. I mean, he's among the DJ team that hosted this event. Yeah, he's pretty much awesome. Guys, go check him out on Instagram. He uses the same handle, Daggy DJ. If you want to follow him and know what is happening in the DJ industry here in Abu Dhabi, of course, go follow him. I mean, yeah, you'll enjoy. You'll see what is really going on here in Abu Dhabi. He's professional. Of course, he was a big banger back home, and right now he is here to conquer Abu Dhabi. Guys, go check him out. Yo, DJ alongside DJ XO. Guys, these are among the best DJs that we have here in the Ugandan community, Abu Dhabi. So if you want to host any kind of event, hit them up. The numbers are flying through the screen right now. Charlie,
Yo,
what's up?
been massive.
It's been massive.
Yeah, man.
You had fun.
Yeah.
Awakabima ekiriwo kibadde kiti ekino kibadde kiriya sawa yakupa wamu wallahi kamalti okay kali healthy gasinga nze nkola paka last nabagereka kibadde kita nabagereka tunula kwano mukala nabagereka nabagereka storage njogerako nange nabagereka kibadde kitya nyumiddwa nga bwakisuubidde bwe kibadde anti manager atugana atatamira atava ku booti nedowoozi lyakyuse tugunaabe bunaabi so abamisinze wawe akagambo kamu kokka fe tuli mu 2020 esebo wallahi bazinyemu obuugi kyakabi owakabi musoko otulire muganda wange abaana abasinga obungi bonna bagamba ekintu nga bwe bakisuubidde bwe kibadde nkisinzeewo
Thank you Ugandans, thank you Kenyans, thank you my brothers from Burna, thank you my brothers from Nigeria. Thank you so much. And we're promising you, you're going to deliver the best. Okay. We already said 99% is not enough. We're still delivering more. 14th February, expect the best.
Chakari, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Expect the best.
Okay. Chakari. Onyumiddwa Ngolo Munyumiddwa mukolo Happy New Year. Kwate ko bugere. Temuli mushaka. Basinga wameno shoti ekyasinza okubeera akali. Kyakabi wamma.
Chicken waggulu.
Tonava. There's a van. Yeah, man.
You know Wakali DJ?
Dagi yo on the ones and twos.
Yeah, on the ones and twos, of course.
Peace and love alongside Exo DJ. Silver DJ Uganda. Musikas DJ.
The baddest DJ here in
UAE, Abu Dhabi.
Tell them they don't know me.
Hunyam the chicken. Wadankane. Kale kanko wechfanani. Okay, tugende mas.
Wagwan people, this is your boy Dak DJ alongside Exo DJ. Straight up UAE Abu Dhabi. Fire, let's go.